products, my dear friends. So again, I would like to welcome you all to this wonderful Facebook Live series on iPulse. So let me start the session. See, as I've been telling you, each and every day I'll be coming up with one or two of the recent updates which is happening in India and across the world, and to relate with our own products so that you will have very good promotional ideas for promoting the products in the market, my dear friends. So the first thing is, today an article on July the 2nd, an article appeared on the New Indian Express. It stated something like this: the respiratory droplets which are actually coming out of a COVID-19 positive person, it can travel a lot of distance and then it can survive. See, well, the purpose of this is not to create fear amongst you. The purpose of it is actually to create awareness so that one is responsible for taking care of themselves as well of the society, my dear friends. So the article states something like that: the droplets which are actually coming out of the person who is sneezing or coughing who is infected, it can travel around about 8 to 13 feet. This is a very recent article which has appeared on the New Indian Express. This states that it can reach up to 13 feet, 1-3. That is the reason why it is always important for all of us to develop this wonderful immunity that the God has given within us. Whenever you have developed this immunity, automatically your resistance improves against the disease, and automatically, even if you are in such a distance, actually, you might not be affected with any kind of a condition. So this is what the whole intention of the situation is. Well, boosting your immunity by the intake of the awesome antioxidant products is also important at the same point of time, my dear friends. That is the reason why you have to take care of yourself either by the protective gears or by the intake of immune boosting supplements, and that is the reason why we can reach the level of herd immunity only when we are capable of getting that herd immunity only by the consumption of immune boosting supplements until the medications or the vaccines come over, my dear friends. So this is one thing that I wanted to tell you all. So based on this, the second thing is, another important thing is, on July the 1st, 2020, in the New Indian Express, another important thing has appeared here. Traditional medicine provides solutions. See, this is also a very important point. What I am trying to speak here is, nowadays, the traditional medicine leads are picking up in the whole world, not only in India, in the whole world. So can we have a remedial measure for such kind of a dreadful disease by the use of traditional medicines? This is what even the newspapers as well as the internet blogs are speaking about today. Alternative medicines can definitely provide the front line immune boosting resistance. I use the words again: front line immune boosting resistance against this dreadful diseases. Alternative medicines can definitely do this, my dear friends. So that is the reason why it is always important for us to protect ourselves by the consumption of these awesome wellness products which has this immune boosting potential. That is the main reason why I normally want to reiterate this point. All our products are considered to be front line immune boosting supplements. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, my dear friends, as you all know that antioxidants and COVID-19 are related to each other. It is a very important thing, because in order to improve your immunity or build up your resistance, it is always important for you to consume more and more antioxidants. So when you consume more and more antioxidants, it is obviously important your body gets these antioxidants and your immune boosting capabilities enhance. Automatically the resistance builds up. Automatically you will not suffer from any kinds of dreadful diseases in the future, my dear friends. So going ahead, antioxidant supplementation, this is also very important. As you all know that the World Health Organization clearly says each and every person should consume 5,000 ORAC units of antioxidants in a day. So, but it is very difficult for us to consume 5,000 ORAC units because the dietary sources are nothing but your antioxidant fruits, especially the organic antioxidant fruits, which you are not able to get on a daily basis. That is the reason why we always tell you that if you consume 60 ml of iPulse in a day, you will be getting the antioxidant value of ORAC value of more than 7,000. That is the reason why once you have this optimum antioxidant status within your body, definitely the body will be able to gain that resistance and it can fight against all kinds of dreadful viral diseases in the future. Why I am telling you this, stressing upon these points regularly is, we don't know when this particular pandemic is going to disappear from the face of the planet. But the one thing that we have in our hand is, we have this wonderful wellness supplements which can definitely protect us from all kinds of dreadful diseases in the future. This is what we exactly have in our hand, my dear friends, so that you, your families or your prospects or whoever it is for that matter can get benefited by using such wellness supplements, and automatically your resistance can build up. I hope you got my point clear, my dear friends. So going ahead, as I told you, talking about immunity all the time, you should also not forget that iPulse is actually a wonderful product which can improve your cardiac benefits also. iPulse is also a wonderful cardioprotective product, my dear friends. So in order to enhance your immunity is one part of it. The second part of it, take care of your heart also. So talking about only immunity is not the thing which suffices, but the other parts of the body is also important at the same point of time. Your cardiac immunity is also very important. Until and unless your heart functions properly, the other functions of the body will be kept intact. Otherwise, the other functions of the body will be distorted. That is the reason why take care of your heart, protect your heart so that you can protect different parts of the body, my dear friends. So as I told you, iPulse is also a wonderful product for improving your cardio protection attributes as well. Well, that is the reason why I always try to tell you that iPulse is a product which is rich with antioxidants. So antioxidants are those molecules which can fight the free radicals. Once the free radicals are neutralized in different parts of the bodies, automatically that particular part of the body will get the immunity. See, one thing that everybody needs to know here is immunity is a generalized concept, but immunity is also a localized concept also. For example, each and every part of your body has to be immune. For example, when you are consuming a product like iPulse, automatically iPulse is a holistic health supplement. Your immunity can be enhanced from head till the toe. That is what is the exact relevance of iPulse, my dear friends. Your immunity can be enhanced from head till the toe. That is the reason why we call this as a holistic immune boosting supplement. I hope you got my point clear. I want to repeat my words. This is called as a holistic immune boosting supplement. As you all know that iPulse contains a wonderful ingredient called as acai berry, which is indigenous only to the Amazon rainforests of South America, which we are sourcing from the Amazon rainforest, my dear friends. And this is considered to be one of the arguably the best, one of the best antioxidant sources that we have, my dear friends. See, what exactly happens here is, once you have this antioxidant status optimum inside your body, it takes its own time. Each and every organ will require its time to get the antioxidants and to show that it is immune to the condition. So that is the reason why it is always important for you to consume antioxidant drinks like iPulse on a regular basis, at least for a minimum period of 3 months, so that each and every organ, tissue and cell in your body gets the antioxidant status and becomes immune and gains the resistance against various conditions. I hope you got my point clear. As you all know that antioxidant is one part of it, cardiac is the other part of it. As I've told you, nowadays stress is actually becoming a lot more dangerous than the other pandemics actually. Because of hearing about this particular corona all the time, by all the, the electronics as well as the print medias, people are now have already gone into a state of stress actually, which is nothing but an inherited stress from the outside sources like the media. It is not an innate stress which is developed. It is actually a stress which is developed from the innate source, from the outside sources. So because of which definitely the heart is also getting stressed up. Please understand this point. These stress levels can be a major pandemic as compared to the coronavirus today, my dear friends. That is the reason why you have to take care of your heart as well as the stress conditions also. As you all know that acai berry is a very important ingredient which is present in iPulse, which contains the polyphenols. We also call this as anthocyanins or the polyphenols, which are considered to be very good cardioprotective substance. It is a cardioprotective substance which can protect your heart. That is the reason why acai berry frames a very important and integral part of iPulse, my dear friends. So going ahead, as you all know that cardiac diseases can happen to anyone at any point of time. So there was a zamana before where cardiac diseases were actually confined to only some people above age of 60 years. So nowadays cardiac illnesses can happen to any person on this planet. So people with diabetes, people with addictions like smoking or alcoholism, people with high blood pressure, high cholesterol levels, lack of exercise, unhealthy eating habits, stress, breathlessness on exertion, breathlessness on lying down, swelling in the legs, puffiness of the face, excessive fatigue, bloating and weight gain. All these things frames a very important part or predisposing factors for a cardiac disease. Anybody can have this. See, all these symptoms, whatever I told you right now, might not be present in one person, but each person can have one symptom. That is the reason why these arrows actually point out to this cardiac disease. That is the reason why whenever you are consuming this particular eye pulse, it gives you a holistic health benefit from the head till the toe. So automatically your heart will be protected to the core. That is the reason why even though you have stressful conditions around you during this corona zamana, automatically your stress levels can be reduced inside the body. Automatically your heart can be protected. That is the reason why even after the corona disappears also, the other pandemics are there with us. It might not be a pandemic name as such, but your diabetes might become a big spreading kind of a disease. Your heart problems can become some kind of a hugely populated disease. All these things can happen in future. It can it can get the nature of a pandemic in the future, my dear friends. That is the reason why don't think about today, think about the future as well. Get yourself protected completely, get yourself protected holistically by the use of iPulse, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So as I told you, iPulse is a wonderful product which is not only indicated for cardiovascular benefits, but iPulse is also a product which can have antioxidant benefits, where it not only protects your whole body, but it protects your individual cells also. It will scavenge the free radicals, it will restore the antioxidant numbers, and it also has a lot of immunomodulator benefits as well, because it builds proteins inside your body, it strengthens your immune system, it enhances the cellular communication. It also relieves inflammation, it fights the bacteria as well as virus also as it is quoted, my dear friends. So the other important thing what I want to tell you all is, the free radicals is one important point. So far as even virus is concerned or even the cardiac disease is concerned, free radicals play a very important role. So free radicals in the sense, whenever a foreign body comes into your body, for example, a virus is a foreign body. Whenever a virus enters into your body, it is always, the virus will not show its effect in a single day. The virus takes its own time to infect your body. This period is actually called as the incubation period. So during this incubation period, some people might be totally asymptomatic. They will not have any symptoms. Some people might have symptoms. We really don't know what is happening during this period. So that is the reason why whenever you are regularly consuming a wonderful product like iPulse, which is an immunoboosting as well as an antioxidant product, each and every cell and organ of your body will be protected, and with antioxidants their protection will happen. So automatically you will not be able to suffer from any kind of dreadful diseases in the future also, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So with this I would like to tell you that iPulse is not only an immunoboosting supplement, iPulse is a holistic health supplement which has lots and lots of health benefits happening. Other important thing what I would like to repeat here is, please go through our website iPulse. Please click on the validation tab. Once you click on the validation tab, you will get a research publication on iPulse. Please do download this publication and share this publication. You can share this publication to anyone you want to, even the doctors or medical professionals also. Please do share these publications so that everybody will be well versed with all kinds of knowledge about these wonderful products, so that they can also use it in a very scientifically validated as well as a logical way, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So as everyone knows, iPulse is a wonderful product which has to be taken 30 ml in the morning, half an hour before your breakfast, and 30 ml in the night, half an hour before your dinner. So in some conditions like low blood pressure, low hemoglobin and low body weight, iPulse has to be taken 30 ml in the morning after breakfast and 30 ml in the night after dinner. I hope you got my point clear. Apart from this, I would also like to tell you one thing. In cases of diabetes mellitus, it is always important for you to consume 20 ml of iPulse in the morning, half an hour before your breakfast, and 20 ml in the night, half an hour before your dinner. You can definitely give iPulse in the case of diabetes, but with this particular dose, what I told you. It can also be given during pregnancy and lactation. The first 6 months of pregnancy is always important. The last 3 months you should not give it. During the breastfeeding time, the first month it should not be given. From second month onwards, iPulse can be given very safely, my dear friends. So it can be consumed for longer duration without worrying much about the side effects or the adverse effects. It is always important for you to know that children above 1 year of age has to be given iPulse, my dear friends, not below that. Till 100 years, iPulse can be continued in the same dosage of 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before your food. I hope you got my points clear. So thank you very much, Vivides, for your patient watching and also posing your questions. So this is a question answer time right now. So I will be taking up the last week's questions first, followed by the next week's questions, my dear friends. So the last week's questions, if I have to see here. So the first question is like this. Hi sir, my relative 40 years old has dark pigmentation on the face due to sun exposure. Which product is suitable, either iGlow or iPulse? As I suggest you, my dear friends, the query is from Mr. Jomil Paikad. If Mr. Jomil Paikad is watching this, you can use both iPulse and iGlow together. Please use 30 ml of iPulse twice a day, and iGlow should be 1 sachet in the morning, 15 minutes after food, and 1 sachet in the night, 15 minutes after dinner. This is how exactly you have to use both the products. The second question that I am seeing here on my screen is from Mr. Ankit Jain. Mr. Ankit Jain, if you are watching this, I have neurofibromas on my body. What are the products which can be used? As I told you, some of the surgical conditions, if it is there, it is always important for you to refer these particular things with your respective doctors. But still, as an antioxidant supplement, you can still consider using 30 ml of iPulse twice daily, half an hour before your food for beneficial results. So the next question that I am seeing is from Mr. Ajay Kumar, the person who is suffering from lung cancer with oxygen cylinder, have very low hemoglobin count. Please suggest the dose of iPulse. As I told you, Mr. Ajay Kumar, it is always important if the person is on a medical supervision, it is always the right of his doctor to decide what exactly has to be done on the patient. iPulse can only be given as a generalized health supplement at a dose of 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before your food for beneficial results. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question is from Mr. Mohammed Pasha. Is iPulse useful for the pains? Which is better, iPulse or iSlim? One thing I would like to tell you, Mr. Mohammed Pasha, iSlim is a product which is exclusively for weight management. Suppose if the person is suffering from body pains along with weight gain, I would suggest you to give both iSlim and iPulse together. Otherwise, you can give 30 ml iPulse twice daily, half an hour before your food. I hope you got my point. So the next question is from Mr. Basit Sheikh. If Basit Sheikh is watching this, so one of the our customers is using iPulse for low HB. They are consuming it before food. Can you please suggest how to use it? As I told you, Mr. Basit Sheikh, for low hemoglobin or low HB count, it is always important to use iPulse half an hour after the food, not before the food. I hope my point is clear. The last question of the last week that I am taking here is from Mr. Manav. Mr. Manav, if you are seeing this, dear sir, did iPulse is iPulse indicated for varicose vein problems? My dear friends, I would like to modify the questions here and there, so don't worry about it, because some of the wordings, what the questions are asked might be different in making the sentences. So I'd like to prepare the sentences and then tell this to you. So is iPulse used for varicose veins problems? As I told you, iPulse is a wonderful product for the vein related or the artery related or the vessel related disease, as we call. So, and the neurological problems as well. Definitely you can use 30 ml 2 times, half an hour before food for your beneficial results. So this week's questions I am taking up now. So my colleague Ms. Santoshini has prepared the questions today. The first question is from Mr. Pasha Mohammed again. Especially for pains, which product has to be suggested? As I told you, pain is nothing but a neurological response. Different kinds of neurological issues, it is always important for you to give 30 ml of iPulse twice daily, half an hour before your food for beneficial results, my dear friends. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Gupta Kurmala. If I'm spelling your spelling correct, from Mr. Gupta Kurmala, I am a kidney patient and I am on dialysis. The doctor has told not to eat some fruits, but I have started drinking iPulse. Is it safe to use it? A very good question, Mr. Gupta. If Mr. Gupta is watching this, the answer is simple. Whenever you are undergoing the process of dialysis or wherever you have the kidney patients for that matter, normally the potassium is a major culprit here. Doctors always look at the potassium count. Whenever your potassium count is high, it is always dangerous to your kidney. Fruits are the source of potassium. This is what doctors have an idea in their mind. Well, I'd like to tell you, my dear friends, the potassium content which is present in iPulse is very much negligible and it is inherently present in the fruits. So no potassium is added externally. It is inherently present in the fruits, so that you don't have to worry about consuming iPulse. Please consume 60 ml a day, 30 ml twice daily. So no additional potassium is entering into your body. It will not come in the way of your dialysis or the treatment of your kidney disease, my dear friend. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Georgias Thomas. So some of my friends are suffering from premature gray hairs. Which product can I suggest? See, as I tell you, Mr. Thomas, we don't have any trials of iPulse on hair related issues. We don't have any clinical evidence of this particular iPulse on hair graying issues. It is always important for you to consult to a physician so far as the hair problems are concerned, my dear friend, because consuming iPulse on this particular conditions, we don't have sufficient evidence with my side, especially the clinical evidence, to prove that this particular product is good for premature hair graying. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question is from Miss Nandini. Can a person with bypass surgery, can iPulse be given? Absolutely yes, Miss Nandini. You can consume 30 ml of iPulse twice daily, even in case of post surgeries, in case of heart related surgeries, my dear friend. So the next question is from Mr. Preeti Rai. Which is the effect of iPulse on female reproductive system? Can it be given in cyst condition? A very good question, Miss Preeti Rai. If Miss Preeti Rai is watching this, the answer to this is like this. You have to give a combination of iPulse as well as iCoffee. It is always important. In any case of PCOD or in any case of ovarian cyst, always the sugar metabolism is impaired. That is the reason why when you give a very good combination of iPulse as well as iCoffee creamer, 30 ml of iPulse twice daily and iCoffee creamer should be half sachet twice daily, the problem would be definitely the resolution of the problem will happen. So please do continue in this particular combination. I hope you got my point clear. The last question of the day that I am taking here is from Mr. Prabhakaran Rajamani. If Mr. Prabhakaran Rajamani is watching this, sir, my wife suffered lupus. Could you please tell how much quantity of iPulse should be used? One thing I want to tell you, Mr. Prabhakaran, here, lupus is a kind of autoimmune disease. Your immunity is fighting against yourself. One important difference here as compared to the other problems is you have to consume 30 ml of iPulse. Your wife has to consume 30 ml of iPulse half an hour after food always. It is not before food. In any case of autoimmune problems, it is always important that you give iPulse half an hour after food for beneficial results. I hope you got my point clear. So thank you very much, Vivides, for posing your wonderful queries. I still see a lot of queries on the screen. Please don't worry about it. We will come back. We will answer each and every of your queries. None of your queries will go in vain. So I will be able to answer them on next Monday, which is an iPulse day again, with your wonderful queries. Please do shoot me more and more queries so that you will get benefited by listening to these things, as well as you can promote the product in a scientifically validated and a logical way, my dear friends. So thank you so much, all the enthusiastic Vivides who are watching this wonderful Facebook Live broadcast. So thank you very much for this. So tomorrow I'll be coming back with a wonderful session on iCoffee again. Thanks very much for your patient watching. Have a nice day ahead. This is Dr. Balu Kolar signing off from the desk at Indus Viva Health Sciences Corporate Office at Bangalore. Have a nice day ahead. Keep safe, be responsible, keep safe yourselves as well as others by wearing all the protective gears that you have while venturing into the outside world. So protect your family as well as protect the whole environment, as well as protect all the other people also, so that all of us will put our efforts in fighting this deadly virus so that it disappears from the face of the earth in future days, my dear friends. Thanks so much for patient watching. Thanks a lot.